even when you say I am childish, I hear, I am not provoked,
Okay.
I still engage. Show that level of maturity. Please listen right now.
Very mature.
When a system of brainwashing, it begins by, please listen carefully, it begins by,
I can
please
say you're
listen.
brainwashed.
Please
because you don't look into
Please try.
Islam.
Please
That's
try.
basically what you've just said
Sure,
to me.
no problem. Yeah, you can
You just
you
put
can
brainwash on me for...
Sure. But please listen right now. The way brainwashing systems work,
Nah, you're still going on about
still
brainwashing.
interrupting. Please listen.
You're arrogant.
Please listen.
You're arrogant.
Thank you. But
He's
please
not
listen
arrogant,
right
he knows what he's
now.
doing.
Please,
He's evading
but
the
please,
question.
but please listen to me right now.
I'm
The
listening,
way,
just don't speak, please.
sure, sorry. The way brainwashing systems work,
Believe what you want to believe.
initially they prevent the followers of those systems to isolate, not engage with people of other contradictory views. That'll how it begins. That'll what it will do to you to start off. And then as things progress, when you are thoroughly isolated, you live in your own bubble, and then it'll feed you more information, hatred against those with whom you may contradict, and then eventually on one bad day, one of you would go around knifing people. This is how it'll begin. Exactly. So
Went
how
from
else?
brainwashing to hatred to knifing.
This,
What do you
when
think we are?
exactly what do I think the Quran says is what I'm saying right now. It begins by making you isolate. It begins in a number of places in the Quran.
None of this shit works on me.
No,
Nah.
too brainwashed.
You're brainwashed.
So clarify, why am I brainwashed?
Don't speak to him.
Yeah, well, I can
We
tell
try
you
to
he's not all
speak only
there.
Muslim people.
Why
not
do
all
you
there
think
in
I am
the-
Yeah, but what I'm
brainwashed?
saying,
Ignore him,
do
ignore
not
him.
speak to him. He will
Ignore
never
him.
answer you.
Yeah, I know.
If you
Why
ask
do you think
something
I am
else, he
brainwashed?
will never answer.
Why
Like,
do
just
you
go.
think I am brainwashed?
Wallah, just go.
He speaks gibberish.
Why do you
This
think I am
guy,
brainwashed?
he's just trying to be only fun.
Why does he show up with the?
Thank you, go.
I don't think anyone here likes you.
Why do you think I am
You're
brainwashed?
very negative.
Why do you think I am
Very
brainwashed?
negative person.
Why do you think I am
You're a
brainwashed?
negative person and you're a manipulator.
I'm giving you an
and you put
opportunity right
words in my
now.
mouth.
I'm giving you an opportunity right
I
now.
told you I'm not here to debate.
But
I
you
told
said
I'm
I
here
am
to watch.
brainwashed.
Listen to
Why
me.
do you think I am
I listened
brainwashed?
to you for 2 minutes. Can you listen to me?
I asked you a question. You
No,
completely
no,
ignored.
no.
So
Yeah,
please.
because you're not listening to me.
So no, there's no point in listening if you're going to completely
Exactly.
ignore.
You've got no brain cells, man.
You're going to
You've
completely
got no
ignore.
brain cells at all.
I am the one with the brain. I am the one with the brain cells, and therefore I'm able to speak to
Yeah.
you. The one without the brain cells doesn't want to speak, listens to some other clown and not engage. Now turns his face away when he's exposed. This is
You
what
know
a
my face, I'm still here.
yeah, but you're looking there. I saw the sadness in your eyes already. I'll give you an opportunity right now. Why do you think I am brainwashed?
You just said I'm brainwashed. I can say the same thing about
Oh,
you.
that's what you do. Just because I said you just played
Of
ping
course.
pong. You had no reason
You
whatsoever.
just said I'm brainwashed because
So
I believe
again,
in
more
Islam.
irrational behavior. No reason whatsoever
no.
to say why I am brainwashed.
You are unbelievable, I swear.
I completely
I've
understand.
never met anyone like you.
No. If
More
you meet
sick.
only Muslims, you'll never meet anyone like me. That's very true.
You need help.
First time for you.
Just stuff he wants to
He is
react.
confessing. Can you see? But did you see? He has been
I know,
meeting
I know.
only people like you before
Bad faith.
who live in this bubble,
Bad faith.
never challenged, never reasoned. But today, for the first time, he is meeting. Therefore, don't repeat your bad mouth, whatever. Please keep moving. Thank you very much. Now, Ahmed, I recommend to you. You're 24. I'm about twice your age. I'm going to let you know. I am a Christian. I don't want your life to be destroyed. I believe in the Bible. And for the Bible, you know the question I started off with? I asked you, why do you believe in this? If you ask that to me, I'll give you a solid answer. And that is the evidence that I am not brainwashed. Contrary to you, if you ask me why I am a Christian,
Yeah.
I'll give you a number of parallel reasons.
Yeah.
You, while being 24, could not give one. That's a tragedy, despite the fact that you are from Australia. Australia gave you liberty. Australia gave
Listen,
you access to
listen.
information.
You've done
What
all-
Australia didn't give you is a redemption from Islam. Today,
I don't want a
fortunately for
redemption
you,
from Islam.
well, I know, when people are caught up in brainwashing systems, that's what they would say. I completely understand. I am going to suggest to you.
If I'm brainwashed, you're also brainwashed. Okay.
That's not how logic works.
Funny.
Anyway, Ahmed, please take my card.
No, thank
my
you.
email address is there. Demonstrate that you are someone who can engage So take
I
my
do
card.
engage, but not for the public.
Not for the public.
Nah, I do
That's
engage,
not.
but I
That's the
don't-
first time. It's news to me.
I don't
So
need-
far, you
because
said
didn't
you're.
let me speak.
Say again.
You didn't let me speak.
I didn't let him speak.
You don't. No, you got no respect.
Is he the one who normally cracks jokes in your group? Why are you angry now?
I'm not angry.
Are you from Australia also? Please come in here. So he is 24. How old are you? 25. Please, one reason. You are the one who started off.
What part of Australia are you from? Melbourne. Salam alaikum.
Tell me why.
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, yeah. It is.
What you doing here, man?
We're just visiting. We came to watch some football.
Football.
Like
Rugby, you mean? Rugby, the rugby league?
nah, the actual football.
Oh, football.
Premier League.
Oh, right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
So you're a football supporter?
Yeah.
Not rugby.
Nah, not necessarily.
We've got great rugby
Australia
over
was
there. By the way, England beat Australia yesterday.
No way.
Rugby union.
Yeah.
But the rugby league boys, they lost.
Yeah.
I had 6 weeks in Sydney.
Oh, yeah. Sydney's really nice.
Beautiful place, mate. It's nice to meet you, brother.
Memorization.